Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video in which I'm going to just be creating a batch game. And in case you don't know how, in case you want to just try to see some more builders and tips, basically I'm going to be creating that for you. So basically I'm going to be using Notepad++, but you can use Notepad or Notepad++, although I'd prefer Notepad specifically because Notepad++ can really mess up your game. So first thing I always want to do is I'm going to go right click, new folder, and just name it the name of your game. If you don't have one, I always just name it Test Gamer. Undecided, but my game is gonna be called Adventure Day. And that's not a permanent name. I just came up with it for fun. So then open up the folder, and I am going to open up a Notepad document. Or any document. When I say Notepad, I mean like any Notepad, or any Notepad, Notepad++, or anything you're using. And go to Save As, File Save As. And I'm going to save it inside my folder as specifically my game name. And that's how it's called, Adventure. I believe so. And you can have any name. So it can be any name .bats. Always put this at the end. So game name .bat. So my name is that .bat. Then save as type. Hit down and go to all files. And just click save. And this it comes up. And if I just open this up, it'll open up and it'll just come up with that. It's not valid under the application yet. If you want to make it valid under the application, type @echo_f. That tells the window to not display any code. It tells it do not display the window code. You'll see it just comes up and closes. So basically what this does is it tells the window don't show the code, just show what the code does. So I'm going to name the title, and this is going to be the window title, like right here. And it's going to be so that. Now I'm going to make a new section, and I'm going to go to start set. I'm just going to start set, and I'm going to put set life equals 100, set weapons. I'm going to say set 100, set XP experience equals 0, set place equals hills, set. And now someone's gonna go through and set these rows. What to do is when you put set, it's gonna take this whatever you put next. So whenever I type in %place, it's going to show me what it comes up with. And like with these, when I have numbers, I can add on to it or subtract from it. So basically, it's kind of like, you know, in math when you have like an unknown variable and you have to figure out what that variable is. That's kind of what we're doing here, using variables which can change throughout the game. So I am going to set monsters equals 30, set sword equals 1, set emerald sword equals 0, set laser equals 0, set gun equals 0, and set ammo equals 0. And I'm going to put more set advanced gun equals 0. Okay, so basically we're going to create a bunch of cool things in this. We're going to make it see as close as we can. So file, save. So now you see if this comes up, when I just click on this, it'll just close down again. Come up and close. But that's just because it has to set all these rows, so if I put pause, save it, come up with this title, pressing key, continue on along. So basically, and I just set the variables, and then it's going to go to main menu. So we're going to put TLS, which clears the screen. I'm going to add some modes, which what mode will do, should open up command prompt. Mode changes how big the screen is, so let's have like mode 30, 25. The first number like the first 30 applies to how long the screen is. So I type in 60 will be longer, and then 20 and then same number and plus how long is that. So now it's like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some characters. So I have a game. It is called, what is it called? Bad Sneak. It was created by Proto101, and I'm just gonna open it up because it's actually a very useful file when working with games. Because if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, I'm going to do, you'll see that it has like I'm not able to see it this well. It's a character menu with all these different characters, and so I'm just gonna open up this game. Three, 1, 1 minus F. That's how I always remember. 1, 1, what's this? So you have all the characters here. So I'm gonna use for the menu 219. So now all I gotta do is I gotta go to 219, copy it, and now I have this character I can add into my game. I'll just close this out for now. Okay, so I'm gonna type in echo, which displays text. And I'm going to go one space so that, because you always have to have one extra space at the end of all your text, so I'm just going to even it out. Echo, echo. So I'm just going to make a big A, and I'm going to make a big D, text. I'm also going to be using error level, which if you don't know how to use error level, I guess you'll learn in this video. And error level is very useful, so this is my A. So I'm going to type adventure. And this game at the end of when I'm done creating it, it will be up for download. It will be the EXE version. Well, it may not be. It may just let you see the code. I'm sure you're seeing it right now. But again, it will be up for download, and I do things a lot, like with Batch, I do things a lot different than, and normally you have like many shortcuts. I do it a little bit differently. That's just because that's how I am. I'm gonna put another space here. There we go. So now we have this little menu, and you see if you type in pause, and since I don't have anything on your mode, it's gonna come up with this big menu that displays how you can set the mode. I'm just gonna take that out of there. I'll show you what it looks like so far. Basically, I will come up with this menu right here. See? So to add a lot more stuff to it. So now we can change color. So if you don't know how you can see your colors, you open up command prompt, which you'll be using a lot of command prompt, and then just type in, you can either type in color tree or color / that. They both come up with this color menu, so I can type in color. If I want the background to be white, F, and I want the text to be yellow, that. Although I don't prefer that at all, it really looks quite bad. I'll just use that. But I'm gonna use a light blue. So a light blue is right 9. So put it on 9F. So I'm just going to experiment around with the colors and see if I like any colors. I like this, so 09. So now I'm going to add some cool animations. Not like little letter-out animations, but stuff that makes the game look a little bit cool. 178. And if you want to download Bad Sneak, you can download it. He has a video out about it, and it has a download link. I'm not going to place one in the description just because it will take me too long, but I do give him recognition for his game. It's quite a good game. And you should really play it sometime. It's really cool. So I'm just going to add some clouds up here. It's kind of like those animated clouds. Maybe. So, I know you can do multicolored lines in Batch. I'm just not exactly sure how. So I'm not going to do that right now. If I figure out, I know you need a file colors.exe, and you do something with that. Well, I'm not going to use that right now. I'm just going to use single color text lines, and hopefully eventually we'll add different colored text lines. So I'm also going to add in the sun in the background. I'm going to make it the 177, just so that you can kind of see a distinct difference. It'll just look like a big blob, and that will just be a big disaster. Okay, so should I put this on? Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like it is right now. I'm gonna see it. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. I can't really tell what those are, so I'm just gonna add like maybe something up there. I'm gonna look through the icons maybe off video, maybe next video, see what I can find, because we are almost out of time actually. This video is only gonna be about 15 minutes because this is how much time that I'm allowed. So right now we're gonna add in an air level command, and you don't know what air level is. I think I did mention it before earlier. Basically, what air level allows you to do is it allows you to automatically, you don't user does not have to press enter after entering something in. So basically, air level command, I always forget it. It's quite simple, and if you don't know what air level does, I'm about to show you. And this isn't really much of a tutorial. I mean, the point is just kind of to teach you a little bit about that. I guess it did a tutorial a little bit, but I'm not going to explain every command. I mean, I hope you'll figure it out. So basically, this is the air level command. It's an enter null option. So my options are going to be 1, 2, 3. So echo dot echo type 1 to start, 2 to play, type 2 for help, type 3 to exit. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go down here and I'm gonna type make another thing called recognized, and type go to main menu. They may say, oh, why don't you just use something else? I just like doing it this way so that when you press enter, you'll just go to this and move back. So I'm gonna type if air level. I don't know if this has to be capitalized. I just always do it in case. If air level is 1, and you don't actually put in, like, if you had like an ABC, you wouldn't put A. This is the first digit, this is the second digit, and this is the third. So always put it in. So if it's the first digit, go to play. If air level is 2, go to help. If air level 3, go to we are going to make it, and I go to type in exit, which exit just exit out. So air level makes it so you don't press enter, and I'll show you what can happen. So I'm gonna make a section called play really quickly. And scroll, you can kind of see what it does. Basically, open up the game. Of course, we feel like adding more stuff to this. So if I type 3, there's an error. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, instead of having to go through and trying to figure out why this isn't working, I'm just gonna do that and then do this. Okay. Just because I don't want to waste too much time. So it should work. So type A. If I type in B, it'll probably just loop around. No, it will just go down there. And then C should exit, and if it doesn't, I'll work on this off video. Okay, so for some reason, it wasn't working, so I'm going to pause the video really quickly. In fact, no, we're almost out of time. So thank you for watching. Between the videos, I'm going to work on fixing the air level commands, because usually the air level works quite fine for me. I'm not sure why it's not working right now, but anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.